Hi guys, today in this episode we are going to build a simple Lego spider. You'll be needing these parts. 4 of these 2x1 tiles with handles on and 3 of these 2x1s tiles and 2 eyes. This is going to be how you make your Lego spider. You take a 2x1 tile with handles on. These are going to be the legs. So for now on, I'm going to call it legs. So you can't forget that. So you'll take a 2x1 tile, put it behind the legs, click it on, and then take another legs, put it on the back of the 2x1, and another 2x1, put it on the back of the legs, and then more legs, put it on the back of the 2x1 and 2x1, that's the last of the 2x1s, and then put it on the back and another legs. So you'll have you need 4 of these leg things because look, 4 and 4. That's how much spiders' legs have. And then you'll take 2 eyes, 1 and 2. So this is the complete spider. So I like it. It's like cool. It's black all around, like spiders. And I like the eyes we chose. But you can choose. Which you know, Lego has more different eyes. So you can take like angry ones. Like the spider's trying to sneak up on the fly. Or like, this is like confused. So you can use these. Now twist them in because it looks more angry. And then you can choose more eyes. So there's more eyes here. And you can choose like the spider's sleeping. Or like it's winking. So I'll get the eyes we had last, and then you can do it like it's winking.